All right. Rocking on the swing. Good job, buddy. Whoosh! All right. I believe this may be a first. Yep. Quite possibly the first. All right. I think possibly it has a lot to do with Big Bro being next to him on the swing. And he's kind of showing him up a little bit, as you can see. It's like, I can do this. Yep, I can do this swing thing, huh? Yeah. Yeah. You want some potato? Holding the chipmunk. Mouthful of apple, backing it by a little potato. Potato and apple combo. Nothing wrong with that. All right. Moving along here. Yeah. How do you feel about the swing? Pretty cool?